I'm Alex, and this is Rip Roaring Garage. Hope you had a Merry Goodrich and a Happy Goodyear. I'm funny. Let me show you what I got. Before we start, I want to ask you to give me a like. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. That's actually not that important anymore. It seems the like button. So it lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job because you like it. And if you like it, maybe other people would like it too. So that's appreciated. Now, those of you guys that follow the community tab right there know that the Crown Vic episode is coming. I just can't seem to diagnose the problem. It's a very strange one. But in the meantime, I had an opportunity that made me jump on it, a toolbox. But this isn't any ordinary toolbox. This is a MAC 50th anniversary edition, and I will apologize because on that episode with this, long ago, I had mistakenly thought this was a 50-year anniversary edition just because of the plate here. This is my father's. He bought it in '88. But it doesn't have the gold and it doesn't have the little logos, which I'll show you in 2 seconds. Patient. The Mac rep, he put that on there because my dad bought this as a side box for the main box, which we had to transport it, so I took all the drawers out. But you'll see here, it's got these little tiny logos, Mac Tools. And it has the gold handles. And it has the anniversary edition plate on it. And it's on both of them. Okay? And I was gonna save this till the end, but most of you guys click off.
Too low. Pull up.
Okay? Has this really cool thingamabob there. The story of this toolbox, which made me think, not just the fact that I needed more storage space and I could have spent $1,000, $2,000 for something of similar size.
Hooray, consumerism.
It used to belong to my father in 1988. He bought it brand new. Now I know this because this wasn't a Craigslist find, this wasn't a Facebook Marketplace find. This was from one of my dad's closest buddies that kept it all these years. He wanted to use it, he never did. And he lives in Coxsackie, New York. Coxsackie, Google search it. You're not now, after. Yes, beautiful Coxsackie, New York, known for its rash. Yes, the Coxsackie rash. It's a very big problem. It's one of the most nastiest oral rashes a person can get, which makes you wonder, what were you doing with your mouth to get a Coxsackie rash? Also, what do you call somebody that lives in Coxsackie? Because I know it's like Michigan is Michiganders, New York is New Yorkers. What do you call them? Cocksackers? This buddy of ours, he lives up in Coxsackie, and he kept it in this awesome condition. Now, you got the Alpine stickers, these little logos, because my father was, he was a technician, worked for Mercedes Benz, installing and designing the US market sound systems. And he put up the Alpine, which my old box still has it. This is a low box that he used to do door panel, speaker panel work and whatever, and it would fit underneath the car, underneath the door when you open it, so it was really cool. And I think I may adopt that strategy as well, because now I think I have enough space. We live in a day and age where fathers aren't really all that respected or valued, but I argue with him a lot. In our family, we're not ashamed to tell you, it's like,
Yo, you're dumb, what the hell?
I'm like a combination of redneck and Romanian. It's the worst kind of combination. Getting this box, the memories of going to the shop and watching him work, seeing all the cool gizmos and gadgets, tools and whatnot, I thought it was just like the coolest stuff. And to have this again and put them to good use and clean them up and lube them, and that to me is, I get a kick out of it, a thrill out of it. There's a lot of tradition that we sometimes omit and ignore. So while I go get this done, you can pause the video or whatever, check out the community tab again. BitChute is still up. It's there. In case there's ever a problem with YouTube, you can always check the odds, like, hey, is this idiot still making videos? Or whatever happened to him? Did he get a job? Did he move to Haiti?
Is this something you would consider doing?
Yeah! Violently red. These are the factory covers that came with them that I still have on the old one. There's our sticker, Made in USA. I'm pretty sure this one should have it too. Yeah, there we go. You got these drawer dividers with the double stick tape on them. DDP24 drawer dividers, made in USA. The box also came with these. There you go, made in USA, Mac Tools DW02. When I pull the lever back, it'll be already clean and done. So, ready? Contact. Off the brakes. So this is the Mac Tools 50th anniversary single bay toolbox. Well, technically these were like considered big boxes in the 80s. You could get the side box. You do get keys. This lock only does the top. One of the issues, the tumbler here needs to be fixed because it does jam. Okay, the Romanian key. Please, can you stay? So I really like the little small top drawers, the little narrow ones, and this deep one that you're inside of right now. And now you get to see what it's like inside of my drawers. That's just... Damn it, it's like cold. It's like 20 freaking freedom units outside and about 3 independence units on the ground. Let's get to the coolest feature. And one that will no doubt generate a lot of reeing and a lot of in the comment land. Mac, since its 50th anniversary, I think even since the 40th, so in 78, you correct me if I'm wrong, but they used to do gold plated, 24 karat gold plated tools. These little sets. eBay is full of these things. Mac was crazy enough to gold plate these. I didn't get a chance to shine these, but look at that. And then you compare it to the standard chrome plating that has scratches and scuffs. My hunch is that this was in fact a 24 karat gold plated. Now the price also was steep. It was like $2,400 for just these two. I don't know. I have not been able to find absolutely anything, and short of an actual chemical analysis, which I'm not ruining this box. So in my mind, there's gold. I'm rich, bitch. I think this is a really cool box. It brings back a lot of memories of being a kid, going to where my dad worked. It's a little piece of history because this box was where all the sound systems for Mercedes North America, this is where it started. Bonus footage. I couldn't leave the box with the lock the way it was, so... All right, so... You know what? Why am I doing this here? Heat. So that's the outer housing. And there, probably you can see where the lock will come out. I look very red and crooked because I got one of these. What happens, all right, is you have these little teeth up and down. Yeah, there we go. These are spring loaded, right? And these are actually the pins for the lock. One of them was sticking up all the time. And these come out really easy. Oh, okay, that's what it is. Talk about a tiny... Really? Not sure. The spring was bent and it was catching, making one of the pins stick up all the time. And it pretty much keeps the box locked permanently. I'm going to put you back in. It is in the locked position now. Okay, this square lines up inside the outside the tumbler. The blades go through these tabs here, and there we go. There's a lock washer and a regular screw. Need a flathead. I'd need better screwdrivers. Tight. And now we shall check. Unlocked. Like that one. Locked. There we go. Perfect. Snap-on 70th anniversary sticker, which I really don't want to take off. It is cool. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, please. Thanks. So remember, oil is thicker than blood. Get back in your box. America.
As he died to make men holy, let